Princess.
Tapos ni nanay ko na nag-iarap ng gawin eh.
Wow. And we met fun.
Oh, nabigat na.
Philippines. I'm in Philippines. Look, it's that Philippines. Yes, of course. Don't say no. This is Philippines. See, Philippines. Does it look similar to you? It's Philippines. It is Philippines. I will say a Filipino word. Pilipino ba yan? Philippines yan. Hindi nyo ba alam yan? Philippines yan. Huwag kayong sabi ng no, ng hindi. Philippines yan. I can say everywhere in Philippines. Chips. Chicheria. Yes, I cannot tell you about China area, but I can
Pawan lugar na yung nabate.
Thank you. And the 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye.